Hello, my spooky friends. I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, for today's Halloween makeup creation, I have this really fun and dark she-devil makeup look. So stick around with me. Let's jump right into it. And if you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and start with priming my face, and then I'm going to move on to priming my eyelids and setting them. With a nice light brown, I'm going to go ahead and work this first shade into my crease and into the outer V. Then right over that, to deepen and darken it up, I'm just going to add a nice darker brown shade. Once that is all nice and deepened, I'm going to pick up a beautiful red Sugarpill shadow, and I'm going to keep packing on this color. I'm going to bring it up to the crease, and then I'm going to flick it out so it's a nice cat eye. Once I like the shape, I'm going to pick up a nice clean blending brush and blend all those edges out so they're nice and clean and not harsh. All right, now I'm going to pick up a little more of the red and a black shade, and I mix them together, and I'm going to add it to the outer V and into the point and the inner corner. Once that is done, I have this gorgeous red shimmer shade, and I'm just going to keep packing on this shade so it gives it a really nice halo effect with the cat eye. And for liner today, I just went halfway into the lid and flicked it out to like about a medium wing. Once the other side is complete, let's work on the bottom lashes. So I did pretty much the same thing. A nice red shadow, then on the inner and outer corner, I mixed the red and black, blended it out, and then added the shimmer shade to the middle of the bottom lash line. Now you can either just keep this makeup look as is, finish your brows out, add your false lashes if you want, or just mascara, do the rest of your blush and bronzing and lipstick, and you're done. But I didn't want to do that, so I got this way more intense than I was kind of planning on it, but I went for it and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I just continued with a little bit more of the red and black shadows and kept building and building, and then I would stick with just the black shadow, and I would keep intensifying it to the inner corner, bring it right down underneath my eyes, and once I did that, I kept going. I did a little bit more, but this was super easy. It doesn't have to be super perfect. It's almost like the messier it is, the better it's going to look. Now, once that's complete, we're moving on to the brows. And I wanted to get a little fancy with my brows, so I decided to make them red. So I took this really nice liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, and I'm taking nice tiny strokes and kind of adding the red as a nice base first, and just some have a couple like little flicks, so it looks like little red hairs. Then I picked up a very pointy, sharp liquid eye pencil from Stila, and I went ahead and added that like little strokes of hair all the way through my brows. And yes, now we're gonna go ahead and put some falsies on, some mascara off camera, and now some bronzing. Now for bronzing, I used a red shadow, and I just really went right into the hollows of my cheeks there. I worked it up across my forehead into my temples, and then I'm even gonna add it to my jawline and also down my neck. Now for contouring my nose, I went ahead and picked up a nice dark gray shadow, and I really wanted a very sharp contoured nose. So that's what I did. So I really pulled it in very close to the bottom of my tip of my nose, and then went right across the top portion there at the end, and then circled the bottom, and that makes you look like you have a very sharp nose. As you see, I did go ahead and contour a little bit of the bottom of my lower lip, and then off camera added my setting spray, and here of course the highlight. Once all of that was complete, I added the same color that I used on my brows for my liquid lipstick. After that, I felt like I just want to make it a little more messy with the red around my mouth, so that's what I did, got dirty. Now here I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of black, so I did that to the outer corners of my mouth and blended it into the red. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to move on to my hair. So for these curls, I went ahead and took the middle section of my hair here. Once I take a little bit of that section there, I'm going to go ahead and fluff and pick my hair out a little bit. More volume the better. Add my horns, and then I'm gonna pick up that center portion, add my own little bump there to give it a little extra wow, a little extra oomph, and then add some bobby pins so it stays put. Give it a little extra fluff. Again, the bigger the better. Am I right? I'm right. And then once that is complete, I added my black heart, some other accessories, and this is the finished She Devil Halloween makeup look. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today and checking out my She Devil Halloween makeup look, and all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends. I hope you guys come back next Monday for another Halloween creation. Thanks again for watching. Take care and stay spooky.